Okay, so our project for today is to improve our American flag situation. So far we've just had this little car window flag sort of stuck on the RV, and this is just not cutting it. So we picked up a metal flag mount, which we're going to mount to the pin box. I have to be careful not to mess with my Anderson hitch mechanism, so I'm going to put it off to the side just a little bit. I'm going to drill this into the metal using some self-tapping screws, and then I have this nice big metal flagpole that will then go into the receiver that I can obviously take in and out as needed. And then we have a nylon American flag that will hold up to weather and rain. So the first step is to get this mounted onto the pin box. I'm going to use a drill with a tiny bit just to sort of mark and prepare the locations of each of the screws. And then I have the self-tapping screws to put this in place permanently. So here we go. So our quick install project was a success, and now we have a much better looking flag on our rig. Do you display a flag on your camper? How did you do it? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.